Welcome to another 7 Days, 7 Looks video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I hope you enjoy this video. Now let's get into some looks.
Hi guys, so today is an office day. I am wearing this Eskandar wool boxy shirt with a Mandrn collar underneath, and the jacket is Donna Karan in this really lovely sage color. I like how the color of the jacket matches really nicely with the Uniqlo nylon messenger bag. And the skirt is extreme cashmere. It's the spin skirt in this really nice heather gray. And the shoes are a pair of black strappy kitten heels that I've just layered some alpaca gray socks with. Now, I know that that look is probably not for everyone, but that's what I'm wearing today. I wanted to wear a low heel, but I didn't want to wear boots today. So yeah, the kitten heel with a pair of alpaca socks to me is basically a sock boot look. So yeah. This is the look. Hi everyone. So today is going to be another cool fall day here in California. So I've opted to wear a sweater dress. I feel like sweater dresses are the perfect thing to wear on cool, chilly days because it's basically like wearing a hug or being wrapped in a blanket. And this particular sweater dress is by Revisited Matters. It's in a raglan style. And I love that the sleeves are like batwing, and the bottom has just a really slight taper to it. Unfortunately, Revisited Matters, I received an email from them over the weekend indicating that they are going out of business. This sweater dress, though, I don't know that I can express how much I love this sweater dress. I love it so much that I did buy it in 2 other colors. One is a charcoal melange black color, and the other one is more of a caramel tone. And I really like this gray one. I've decided to pair it with these Marsell square toe ankle boots in this caramel color. And for the bag, I'm wearing my Cordera purse. I like that it blends in with the dress almost seamlessly. And I'm not quite sure. I'm going to try a jacket. See. So I usually don't wear a jacket with this sweater dress because of the batwing sleeves, and I find that it kind of bunches in some of my jackets. But this Elizabeth Suzann, I think this is the Harper jacket in this really nice canvas material. I think this one might be the only jacket that I can wear with it. Actually, yeah. Nice. So yeah, this is really the only jacket option that I have for this sweater dress, but I don't know that I even need a jacket. But I think for today, while it's chilly, I don't know that it's chilly enough to have the jacket on as well. I think the sweater is going to suffice as far as warmth goes. This is the look. Hi guys, so it is a little chilly outside, so this look is all about warmth. What I'm wearing is this London Fog wool jacket, bomber jacket, and it is super cozy. It's nice and thick. It has a lining, and I've decided to wear it with this Theory maxi dress in wool. And I like the way that the subtle brown works with the gray. And I'm wearing this Lemaire croissant bag because I think that the dark brown with the lighter muted brown looks really nice together. And for the shoes, I am wearing these Marsell ankle boots in a beautiful chocolate leather. Let me just get up close. I feel like this look can be described as a big giant hug. I really like this outfit, and this is the look. Hi guys. So today I really wanted to be comfortable in some loose fitting clothing. So I decided to wear this Eskandar 100% wool dress slash tunic. And I've layered it on top of this black crane maxi skirt in cotton. And the shoes are Marsell leather ankle boots in this caramel color. The bag is Mandrn. And I really like this look. So I recently discovered Eskandar. I had been stalking them for a while and recently picked up a piece that I loved so much that I decided to order a few more pieces from them, and they did not disappoint. I love this tunic. I've already worn it with Levi's jeans. I've also worn it with dresses. I've worn it just as a dress with some over-the-knee boots, and I really like all of the looks, but this is the look we're going for today, and I think it's accomplishing what I was looking for, which was very loose, casual, comfortable outfit. This is the look. Hi guys. So looks like it might rain today. So anyway, I'm going to go super casual today. I'm wearing this vintage mohair chunky cardigan sweater. Your eyes are not deceiving you. It was handmade and it looks like it's slightly off at the hem. There's like this extra bit over here. It doesn't bother me. I actually don't mind, I just consider it asymmetric. But that's what's going on with the sweater. And this sweater is super comfortable. I really like the colors. So it's got this really lovely purple blue with rust color combination. And I really like the way that the rust kind of picks up with my hair. And the bag is an old Madewell tote that I bought several years ago. I chose this bag only because it matches my vintage oxblood boots as well as it does. This is the look. Hi guys. So today we are taking the kids to the airport to look at airplanes. The observation area is very dirty, so I've decided to wear my Canadian tuxedo. This denim jacket is vintage. It's a chore coat, and the jeans are Levi's Ribcage, and I'm wearing it with these tobacco Artisan sandals by Steve Mono. And I've paired it with these blue socks just to sneak in a little optical effect of elongating my legs. And the bag is handcrafted by me. And on my head, I am wearing this vintage crochet collar, but I'm wearing it as a scarf on my head. This is the look. Hi guys. So today I wanted to wear a dress. I just felt like getting a little bit dolled up, and when I was doing my previous video talking about styles that I used to wear and no longer wear, This is one of those pieces that I had in the archives. It's this really beautiful Doen wrap dress, and it has such good movement. Let me show you. I'm wearing it with these over-the-knee Bifar boots, black pouch bag that I made from leather, and the jacket is this Camiel Fortgens trench coat in green. I think I'm going to take some of my other wrap dresses out and see if I'm going to take those out for a spin. I just love how wrap dresses just work with your own body. So you can expand, retract, and the wrap dresses will always fit. I remember when I purchased this dress, this is actually a large, and when I purchased it, I was maybe 20, 30 pounds heavier, and I thought it looked really good then, and I think it looks really good now. This is the look.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. It helps grow the channel and it allows me to make more of these videos. Until next time, ciao!